Google's A-series phones have been the go-to choice for anyone wanting a taste of Pixel magic without breaking the bank. The Pixel 8a delivered on that promise with solid performance and standout features. But with the Pixel 9 series now stealing the spotlight, it's time to shift our focus to the next big thing. The Pixel 9a. From a sleek new design to potential hardware upgrades, this budget-friendly device might just redefine what you expect from an affordable smartphone. Here's everything we know so far. Google usually reveals its A-series devices at the annual I/O event in May. But with the Pixel 8a dropping earlier than expected last year, rumors suggest the Pixel 9a might arrive even sooner. According to reports, pre-orders could open by mid-March 2025, with the phone hitting shelves before the month is out. If leaked images are anything to go by, the Pixel 9a is shaking things up with a design overhaul. Say goodbye to the iconic camera bar, and hello to a flush camera island that blends seamlessly into the back panel. The subtle raised rings around the lenses add a touch of practicality while keeping scratches at bay. The Pixel 9a will likely come in 4 colors. Porcelain and obsidian make their return, joined by fresh shades of peony and iris. With dimensions slightly larger but thinner than its predecessor, it seems Google is refining the design to balance aesthetics and ergonomics. The Pixel 9a is expected to sport a 6.3-inch Actua display with 120Hz refresh rate, a step up from the Pixel 8a's 6.1-inch panel. Under the hood, it's rumored to run on a custom version of the Tensor G4 chip, paired with up to 8 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of storage. Battery life could see a significant boost, with leaks pointing to a 5,000 mAh capacity, up from 4,492 mAh in the Pixel 8a. Unfortunately, charging speeds remain slow, with reports of the same 18-watt wired and 7.5-watt wireless options. Google's ditching megapixels for meaningful upgrades. The Pixel 9a might come with a 48-megapixel main camera, a slight drop from the Pixel 8a's 64-megapixel shooter, but don't let that fool you. The larger pixels could deliver better photos, especially in low light. However, there's still no telephoto lens, with the dual rear camera setup sticking to a main and ultra-wide combo. The Pixel A series has built its reputation on affordability, and that's unlikely to change. If Google sticks to its pricing strategy, we're looking at a $499 starting price, the same as the Pixel 8a. The Pixel 9a looks ready to redefine what a budget phone can do, from a refined design to upgraded internals and that trademark Pixel software experience. If Google delivers on these leaks, this could be the A-series device to beat in 2025. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Peace out.